also interested to know what your opinion is on how AI potentially might affect or be involved in the community manager's role. Do you see it being possible to take over the role completely? Or do you kind of envision it as just assisting the community manager? In other words, do we need to fear for our role being made redundant?
No, I don't think so. I read something the other day that said, how did they put this? It was kind of just like a Post-it note size anecdote, but the gist was that you don't have to worry about AI taking over your job, but you might have to worry about somebody who's comfortable with AI taking over your job. All right. In general, like, I'll go back to what I said a minute ago. Like, I don't think that you can divorce the idea of the actual human being a part of the equation. Not to say that some folks won't try, and not to say that I'm an expert in AI development, because I'm not. So is it possible that a future iteration of an AI product could feel pretty seamless in terms of managing a community? I mean, maybe, but you can still tell when you're talking to a bot most of the time. And so we're not there yet. And I don't necessarily know that we're particularly close. I think in general, being able to be human is still very valuable. And I do think that, like, the real answer to your question is, where is AI useful? Right? Or sort of the question within the question is, like, where is AI actually useful moving forward? And I do see, like, some real utility in, like, looping back to Threado, who I mentioned a minute ago. Like, one of the things that they played around with on the AI side was basically tying it into the knowledge base. So it was like, if you got the same kind of questions over and over again for your digital community, where it's like, okay, I'm not going to just pass. What was the old thing? Let me Google that for you. Like, we don't have to do that. Like, you can literally just ask it in this particular channel, and it'll answer it for you and tap the knowledge base in order to do it. So it's like it's kind of bridging the ground between, here, you can just go look this up yourself, or we'll just pull the source material. Like, and that's a really utilitarian, maybe in the future that'll look like a low level solution, but I don't think we're in imminent danger of AI taking over our jobs.